Welcome you in English class. Dear students, today I shall write you short question answer from chapter number 15, page number 95. Okay? Answer the following questions in your own words. Question number 1. What characteristics traits of Odysseus were evident in his determinations to rescue his men? Answer is willpower, investigation, readiness to get help, control. Characteristics traits of Odysseus were evident in his determination to rescue his men. Okay. Now question number 2. What informations did the Goddard impart? Answer is Odysseus' companions like others. You have to use comma. Odysseus' companions, comma, like others, comma, were converted into swines by Circe. I repeat again. Odysseus' companions, comma, like others, were converted into swines by Circe. Okay. Now, question number 3. Describe briefly how Circe released Odysseus and his men. Answer is Circe released Odysseus and his men because she waved, W-A-V-E-D, she waved her magic wand. W-A-N-D, wand spelling W-A-N-D. Okay, I repeat again. Circe released Odysseus and his men because she waved her magic wand. Okay. Now question number 4. This is the last question but not least, dear students. How long did Odysseus and his men spend in Circe's company and why? Answer is Odysseus and his men spent. Now dear students, pay attention. Spent, S-P-E-N-T, spent, first form of the verb. Now you have to change second form, spent. Spent change into spent. Okay. Once again, Odysseus and his men spent in Circe's company in 1 year under Circe's enchantment. Answer is 1 year, comma, under Circe's enchantment. Okay. So now dear students, mention in your notebook all answers, and now the turn of giving you homework from page number 95. See, quench your thirst, Greek, whither art thou bound? Dear students, answer the following with reference to the contest. Okay, given contest. Quench your thirst, Greek, whither art thou bound? Listen. Now, question number 1. Who is the speaker? Who is she talking to? Now you have to use person name at the place of who. Who is the speaker? Circe. Circe is the speaker. Further, who is she talking to? Odysseus is talking to her. Okay. Or she is talking to Odysseus. right? Now question number 2. How did she try to enchant her guest? How did she try to enchant her guest? Answer is by offering him a cup of wine, because, or by offering him a cup of wine, she tried to enchant her guest. Right? Now question number 3. Why was she not able to succeed in her design? Answer is she was not able to succeed in her design okay. Now I repeat again. This answer is sufficient for this question. Why was she not able to succeed in her design? Answer is he followed the instructions of her miss. He followed the instructions of her miss. Okay. Now dear students, to do this, work on your notebook, okay, and send for correction. Goodbye.